Now live with coverage you can count on. This is CBS 11 News at 5.
Good afternoon, and thank you very much for joining us today. I'm Tracy Rowland.
And I'm Karen Borda. The family of a North Texas school teacher is suing the truck driver who's been charged in connection with her death.
The lawyer representing the family of 33-year-old Cynthia Carter says they hope the suit will send a strong message to the trucking industry. CBS 11's Stephanie Lucero has the story now from Plano.
It happened here at the intersection of State Highway 121 and Custer. A school teacher on her way to work. Her husband got caught in the backlog of traffic. Amani Carter says he was afraid that something had happened to his wife. It was early on the morning of October 18th. Amani Carter had just said goodbye to his wife.
When I was washing up myself, I just got sick all of a sudden.
Mr. Carter went looking for his wife, a fifth-grade school teacher in Ferris. Traffic was diverted. After a series of phone calls, he learned she had been killed by an 18-wheeler that ran a red light.
Her car became engulfed in flames. The tragedy is that Ms. Carter probably burned to death and died from smoke inhalation and burns.
In a lawsuit filed today, Mr. Carter and his 3 children are suing the truck driver, Jeremy Davidson, Keel Trucking, his employer, and 2 other hauling companies. They claim Davidson should never have been hired.
He was 20 years old, had 3 prior problems on his driving record. He should not have been behind the wheel driving on the day of the accident.
Jeffrey Rasansky also claims the truck had faulty brakes, and the company failed to ensure it was fit for the roadway.
We have an epidemic of companies not taking responsibility for placing on the road truck drivers who are inexperienced, who have no business driving really nothing more than 80,000-pound missiles.
You know, I'm raising my children. I can do that. I'm not worried about raising my children, even though it is hard because I have 2 girls. But thank God they got a bunch of aunts. But it's not their mama, you know. It's not their mama.
We attempted to contact the driver of the truck, Mr. Davidson, and the owner of the trucking company, but they did not return our phone calls. In Plano, Stephanie Lucero, CBS 11 News.